If you have a high mileage S55 engine car or it's been used very hard, the chances are your turbos are going to look something like this. And in this video, we're going to rectify Matt's turbos because his were definitely like this. Those of you that have been following the project, you would have seen that we did identify a problem on Matt's car. It was a high mileage one, so it's something to be expected. And that was the turbo seals had failed and they looked like this. We have been developing a fix for this. So it's a fix for stock turbos just to make sure that this kind of problem doesn't happen again. So these are Matt's actual turbos and we can take a look at what goes wrong with them. As you can see, this one looks quite bad. There's a lot of oil on there and that's because the turbo inlet seal has failed. And although that looks bad, that's not what really causes the problem. That can be fixed from inside the car without having to take the turbos out. The real problem is that the internal turbo seals fail, which also leads to the thrust bearing failing and you get lots of play, which is only going to get worse. The symptoms of this are blue smoke out of the exhaust and increased oil consumption is what Matt had. And you can see externally that there's lots of oil outside it. We've been testing a fix in Matt's car for the last couple of months, and that's an OEM upgrade for stock turbos to resolve these issues. But first, let's show you how we got these out of the car.
With the failed turbos removed, it's time to strip them down to their components. We get the original housings media blasted and then install our OEM Plus uprated cores. rebuild complete, the final step before install is to calibrate the wastegate actuators to the car. This can be carried out after they are installed in the car, but it's much easier before. With that process finished, all that's left is to fit them to the car and build everything back up.
That's the job complete. Matt has actually now done a couple of thousand miles on the Evolve OEM Plus replacement turbos, and it's resolved his oil usage problems. And these are now available on a core exchange basis, or you can come into the workshop and have them fitted just like we did on Matt's car. Next up, I think he needs to wash the car, and then maybe we can look at some more modifications. Mainly, how can we make this S55 sound better? Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.